Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Moasure device. Moasure is an electronic device that's a measuring tool that can help you find points and locations through your smartphone. And this device, it's like a hockey puck, and what it does is it measures not only distance but elevation as well. So if you like this video or you learned something about Moasure, don't forget to click that subscribe button, okay? So what I have here is the actual Moasure device and a tripod that the Moasure fits into. I'm missing the little clip for the cell phone, but we can simulate that anyway, so no harm, no foul on that. But it does come with a place for your cell phone as well that goes to the top. It's the standard 1/4 inch thread. And this stick will extend out, so it's easy for travel, but also makes it easy to use when you're setting your device and using it. So you can see that it's activated right now. The blue light is blinking. So let's go ahead and put it into the stick, and then we'll get the app going. I've set up this grid of measurements, and we're gonna see how accurate we can be with this Moasure and see how close it can get to the measurements. Now, I've used this before on large deck projects where I was on a bid and I didn't feel like taking a tape measure and measuring all this stuff. I just used my Moasure instead and went to the edge points of the deck along the house and all around the deck, and then it puts a graph up on your cell phone. It's kind of a cool feature. So I just want to see if we can just do a standard square and see how close the measurements are, because that's really, like, accuracy is important. For me, it doesn't have to be 100% accurate because I know I can always round up or down if I need to a little bit. It's good for basic estimating and also for elevation. I've personally never used my Moasure for elevation, but I know it's capable of it. I do have the Pro app installed on my cell phone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a screen capture on my cell phone while I'm doing the Moasure device so that you guys can kind of see what's going on the screen and what I'm doing at the same time. Okay, so now we're on the Moasure device and we're recording. So it says tap plus to begin. A diagram of your measurement will appear as you go. All right, make sure my Moasure's on. I think it is. I'm gonna hit the plus. Will you be using Moasure stick? I'm gonna say yes, I have the Moasure stick. Yes. Okay, continue. Tap plus to begin. You can see the 4 different options here. Point to point, open shape, closed shape, or angle. Okay, it's connecting. Place at start. Okay, I'm at the start of where I want to be. Maybe I'll put it right on the ground. Measuring. Wait. Move now. Put it right to here. Move now. Right to here. Measuring. Wait. Move now. Over to here. Wait. Move now. And back to here. Okay, finish measurement. Okay, so because I didn't put it right at the edge of the tape measure, instead of 8 feet, it says 7'10". So what I did was I drew a 4x8 box with these tape measures and then took my Moasure and went through and tried to hit each point. But because I didn't put it on the tapes, I'm a little short. So instead of 8 foot, I was 7'10" by 3'9.5" by 7'9" by 3'10". So that's pretty accurate. Now I just want to see how accurate I can get if I just measure one run of just 8 feet and see where we're at. So I'm going to hit start measurement, place at the start. So I'm going to try to put this as close to the edge of the tape as I can. Start moving. There's 8 feet. Okay, so what this says is 7 foot 8.5 inches. So I was off a couple inches still. So it may not, if you need exact measurements, maybe you do use a tape measure, but if you're within 2 inches of something, then I think this is a good viable option if you don't want to sit there and run tape measures or if you have to do longer runs. Now, I know through this app that there's also tips and tricks, and it's gonna help you learn the app as you go. So that's kind of a cool thing. Like, it'll tell you for longer runs, you might have to do separate points along the way to get that total length. So I hope that that helps somebody out there. If you like the Moasure app, you can check them out online and find out where you can get one. I know that Regal Ideas also has a discount code, so you might go to their webpage and learn a little bit more about Moasure. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.